The Starlight Dream Sculptor's Heart Picture Book. As darkness fell, Haru's mind too somehow got all jumbled up, and it was hard for him to stop tossing and turning and fall asleep. Before she knew it, her eyes gently closed, and Haru stepped into a sparkling dream. When I opened my eyes, it was the Dream Piece Factory, brimming with colorful blocks all over. Little Fairy Mongsili waved to Haru.
Hello, I'm Mongsili. This is the Dream Piece Factory.
Mongshil transformed her day's tangled emotions into colorful, sparkling shooting star blocks. Mongsel whispered to Haru, pointing at the stacked blocks.
Okay then, shall we make Haru's first heart cookie?
At Mongshil's question, Haru's heart went pitter-patter with excitement. One day, they stacked a great big pile of yellow blocks, all tearful and smiling like a picture. This time, I lined up the blue blocks next to each other. Somehow, it was a picture that made my heart feel peaceful. Oops, Haru accidentally used too many red blocks, and the picture looked like it was blazing. When her drawing got messed up, Haru felt her spirit sink. Just then, Mongshil came up beside her.
It's okay, Haru. We can make it again, because that's Haru's spirit.
Mongshil looked into Haru's eyes and spoke warmly. One day, they started gathering the blocks carefully again, one by one, to make a lovely heart picture.
You can do it, Haru. You're going to do great.
This time, Haru carefully chose the blocks. One yellow block, one blue block, and just a few red blocks. As days piled up, one by one, a vibrant and beautiful heart picture was reborn.
Ta-da! Wow, it's so pretty.
Mongshil gave Haru a thumbs up, showering her with praise. The picture in Haru's heart, like a twinkling star, twinkled with a warm and pretty light within Haru. Now, Haru's very own picture book of his heart is ready to be filled with new pictures every single day. What picture will Haru draw today? Finally, as the day gently opened its eyes, it was their familiar bed. Night's dream fragment adventure had come to an end, but the heart drawing was with Hari, even in real life. The small sketchbook next to her bed sparkled softly. One day, she carefully began to draw the heart picture from yesterday's dream in her sketchbook. Just then, Mom came into the room. Haru smiled widely and held out the sketchbook. Mom hugged Haru close and spoke. Haru smiled brightly. Haru will now every day beautifully fill her heart's picture book. My heart is mine to draw.
내 마음은 내가 그리는 거야.
I draw my own heart. Haru smiled brightly, dreaming once more of the wonderful picture for the next day. Good night, everyone.
Bye for now, friends. See you next time.